Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to another video of 11 Plus Maths Guide. Going through the book written by Faraz A, and today we'll be tackling probability revision questions. So we'll spin up a whiteboard and put it up. Okay, right. So remember, probability is the possibility of something happening, and you normally do as a fraction. The highest is 1. The minimum it can be is 0. Okay. Okay. So, what color of the arrow is most likely to land on green? So green is a quarter. So the one which has got the biggest fraction is going to be red. So 1 is B. 1 is C. Okay. Number 2, what is the probability of the arrow landing on a blue? Well, there's no blue, so it's going to be 0. There's no blue. 0. It's got a mistake here. Yeah. Mistaken answers. That needs to be changed in the answers. Okay. So using the following words of the box below to best describe the likelihood of following events in question 3 to 4. So it's either be impossible, unlikely, even, or likely or certain. Newborn baby has got 50-50. It can either be a boy or girl, so it's going to be even. So 3 is C. Using question 3C. So mistake here now. Yeah. Let's check how many questions there are. Yeah, 22. Yeah. So we've got another mistake here. Okay, mistake there. You throw an ordinary dice and get 4. Well, there's only 1 4, so it's 1 out of 6, so it's unlikely. So 4 is B. Okay, number 5. What's the probability scale represented by a number less than 7? When you throw a dice, so probably a scale of 1. So it's fair side, 6-sided dice. It's only one dice. So let's do it. It's only one dice. So dice go up to 1 to 6. So probability of less than 7 was going to be 1 because so it's a probability of 1. So it's going to be S. So number 5D. What's probably a scale representing an even number thrown? Even number is going to be 50-50 or 0.5. Then the best one is Q, which is 6B. Number 7, what's probably a scale representing a 2? So throwing a 2 is unlikely. So towards the 0.25 or 0.1. So P. 7P. Okay, let's move on. Following class of point about probability of the card probability that the number on the card is less than 5. Well, there's 4 numbers less than 5, so 4 out of 6. So 4 out of 6 is, if we simplify it, it's going to be 2 out of 3. It's going to be A. It's going to be A. Number 9. What's probably of a card? Probability that the number on the card is 1. There's only 1, so it's 1 out of 6. 1 out of 6. This one here. So number 9 is C. Okay. Okay, 10. So we've got spinner. So what's probably of E? Well, let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 in total. So the bottom number is going to be 8. And we want an E. So there's only 1 out of, so it's 1 out of 8. So 10 is A. Number 11, what's the most likely letter that the arrow will land on? The arrow will land on arrow will land on. So the one that appears the most is there's three lots of A's, so it's going to be A's 11 A. What's probably the arrow lands on the A? So 3 out of 8. So D. I've got a bag of 12 discs. Each disc is numbered a different 1 to 12. Okay, and we disc is chosen bag from random. So what's the probability of numbered a number 8? So that'd be 1 out of 12. There's only one 8. So 13B. What's the probability of choosing this greater than 4? So you got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there's 8 numbers greater than 4. So 8 out of 12, which simplifies to divide them both by 4, 2 out of 3. 2 out of 3. So 14 is A. What's the probability of the chosen disk to be multiple of 3? Multiple of 3. So we've got 3, 6, 9, and 12. There's four of these, so it's 4 out of 12, which simplifies to 1 out of 3. So 15 is C. What's the probability of chosen disk is a prime number? So let's go through the primes. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So that's 5 out of 12. So it's D. 16 is D. Okay, Joe has a box of pens containing 4 blues, 6 red pens, and 8 black pens. So the total is going to be 4 add 6 add 8, which gives you 18. So that's 18. She picks a pen from the box without looking at its colour. So what's probably it's going to be red? Well, how many reds are there? There's 6 reds, so 6 out of 18, which simplifies to 1 out of 3. So number 17 is C. What's probably land on the green? So the bottom is 18. And how many greens are there? Blue, red, black. There's no green, so it's going to be 0. 18C. Okay, some more pens, black pens are added to it. Now, probably selecting the black pen is half. Okay, so let's just do a table to do this. So total and black. At the moment, to start off with, we have 8 black pens and the total is 18. If we add another black pen, and we have to add another one here, 19. Is it half? No. Another one here, 10. And another one here, 20. That's it. So if that makes it half. So how many blacks? So we had 2 black pens then. So so to get to here, plus 2, and that gives you a probability of a half. So P of black equals half. Now, so it's going to be plus 2. So 10 should be, so 19 should be 8. Angela has a few red, black, and green hairbands. Chooses a hairband at random. So remember, it's decimals. So decimals go from 0 to 1.0. So choose a red hairband is so right. So red is 0.3. Probability of red 0.3. Probability of black 0.4. Remember, it has to all add up to 1. Yeah. What's the probability of man of is either red, black, or green? So green. It's going to be 0.3 because it has to add up to 1 because they all 0.3 and 0.4 add 0.3 is 1. So it's a 0.3. Right. What's probably either a black or green? So if it's black, if it's or you add your probabilities when you've got or. So it's going to be the probability of black or green is going to be 0.4 add 0.3 equals 0.7. 23. 21 was probably of a green hairband. Well, that's 0.3. There are 10 hairbands originally. How many green bands were green? So you do 10 times the probability, which is 0.3, which equals 3. So 22 is 3. Okay, great. Okay, that completes our probability revision questions, and we'll leave the video there.